Hey Chasers, welcome back to our channel. During this video we are going to tackle some important maintenance stuff with, yes, this right here, the air conditioner. But as I've been searching over the internet, as I've been looking through some things, we found that there are some things that we can help the air conditioner by cleaning it and also retaping the inside to help it work a little bit more efficiently. And so on this episode we're going to show you how you can get a little bit more boost in your cooling than you have right now. So stay tuned, because here we go. All right, of course the first thing we have to do is we have to take off this cover. And so I have the special drill bit, and for RVs, that's one of the big things you need to make sure that you have is this special hex drill bit, because all the screws in an RV are used with this hex drill bit. That's the first thing we're going to do, is take that off. Now, on our air conditioner, we have the controls right here. Other air conditioners don't. So I'm going to leave the controls on while I take off the screws, which will leave this hanging a little bit. 4 simple screws is all it takes, and then this is now loose. And then if we pull these off, the top comes right off. And I would tell you to make sure you put the controls inside this and set this aside. Now we can take a look inside the air conditioner, and you can see that I've already kind of cleaned it up a little bit once, but you can see right here there's a big hole up there. This is where the coil is up there, but now we need to take this piece right here off. Now what's interesting about this is that right here, these are all Phillips head screws, and so you got to make sure you also have a Phillips head bit with you as well. And we're just going to take off all these screws. With all those screws off, this now just comes off, just slides right on down. And I would tell you that you can just leave that hanging for now. You don't have to disconnect anything. I just wanted to share with you a few tools that we're going to be using. Of course, we're going to be using the drill, the cutting knife. This is foam cleaner right here for the air conditioner. And we have some multi-purpose tape right there, foil tape. And then I have some foam board that I'm going to use. And then of course we have the Reflectix. We're going to use the Reflectix up in the air conditioner. So these are some of the tools that we're going to be using. So we're just going to tear this tape down that's there. We're just going to kind of peel it off, because we want to put new tape in there. And we want to have it a good solid connection. All right, with that foil tape removed, now tape is very easy to work with. It just tears. It's really simple to work with, and so you just have to get it around the corners that you want it to be in. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to cut the Reflectix to go up inside in these areas, just right here, where I'll tape that in as well, and that'll give it just a little bit better. All right, you see how I cut this piece of Reflectix and it fits right in there, and then I'm just going to tape that in there just a little bit, and then I'm going to cut out one for here and also one for here. But then I'm going to add one in here as well, so it will be nice and tight. And so this Reflectix will keep that cold air coming in. This is where the chute of the cold air comes in, and it is pretty powerful when it's turned on. And so so as to force it into these smaller areas right here, we definitely want to make sure that it's taped up right. We definitely want to make sure that it's all in there secure, so that we're going to get a better connection with our air. Alright, so there is the finished product that we did, and I think it looks pretty good overall. And you see the fan wheel up there, that brings that cold air down. It's all nice and it's looking good. I think we're going to have a great return on that. Okay, so now we've done that, we can go ahead and put this unit back up, and it goes up just as easy as it came down. All you have to do is just fit it right back in there, just like that. This is where two hands come in. You know, let me just say this as well, as we're doing this, that it always is easier to work with someone else to be able to get and put everything, take it off and put it back on, and you always need a helper, right?
Yes.
All right, so we got that all taken care of. Now next is this inner part. See the coil up there? The coil up there is pretty dirty. And so what we're going to use a product to be able to help us take care of that. In the meantime, I'm going to put some of this Reflectix right here afterwards, so it will drip down onto the Reflectix, so I don't have to worry about the mess on the carpet. We're going to let that stand for a few moments, and as we do, this is a self-cleaning thing. We may have to hit it twice, but then I'm going to try and rinse it down with a little bit of water to help it clean out a little bit. That will also help the air conditioner as it's working. It's been a little bit of time now, and it looks like it's been it's really working. The foam has gone down, and so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of spray it with some water. I got a towel down here on the floor just in case, but you want to be careful of the electrical connections here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover these up before I spray all that water down on there. Take a look at that now. Look at how clean that is now. It's really clean. It's going to really do well for the efficiency of the AC. So now we're going to go ahead and button that up. Okay, so one of the most important things to do is, as you're working with your air conditioner, and what you should probably be doing every year, is installing a screen over your turn right here. So this will prevent all that stuff from going up in there. And this person put little tabs on here, so you can just stick it right up on there. Well, this goes this way, so we know that we're going to put it right there. When it goes up, we have a nice filter right there that's going to filter out the air that's going up and doesn't trap that dirt up inside that A coil again. So now that the A coil is cleaned out, I think we're ready to go, ready to test it out. This is where the second pair of hands come in again.
I'm coming.
That's for cute.
That's for cute. All right, with those two knobs put in place, we're just going to simply just put everything, just screw it back together. Remember to use your square. Just tighten it right back. Now here's the test to see if it even works still. I'm just kidding, it's going to work. Okay, to be honest with you, it's running a lot quieter, number one. Number two is, I can feel a lot more air coming out, and I think it's going to really keep this coach cooler than what it did, especially as the summer months continue to progress with the heat. So these are the tips that you need to have, and this took me maybe a half an hour, maybe at the most, to kind of take care of the air conditioner. So I want to encourage you to take care of the air conditioner, because your air conditioner is what's going to keep you cool in the hot summer days. Well, that's all we have for today. Well, I'm Tim and she's Gail, and we will see you down the road.